Today we're going to talk about if you're struggling with seeing your kids, or you're not getting the visitation that's court ordered, or you do not think that you have a fair visitation. Leslie, can you tell us what the parents' options are if things are just not going the way they're supposed to be going with them and their child?
Sure. If the other parent is withholding visitation, then your primary option is to file a motion for enforcement to have the court order them to do it, or they will be held in contempt. Many times, though, as a child ages, their needs change. We all know that having a 3-year-old is a lot different than having a 13 or 14-year-old that has friends and wants to go to parties and is on their phone all the time. And so you have to be accommodating to the changing needs of the child. So let's say we figure there is a material and substantial change, and that could be either for you or for the other parent or for the child. Then you come see me, you talk to me about what's been happening, and I can file an application to modify the parent-child relationship. And in that document, we set out what we want modified. Sometimes it's just visitation, sometimes it's child support. There are maybe a school that one parent wants the child to go to and the other one doesn't, or who gets to make the decisions about travel, all kinds of things. And it's impossible for me here to tell you about every circumstance that would warrant a modification, but know that if there is a substantial change that affects the health and emotional welfare of the children, then you need to come in and get that decree modified. And particularly, I want to talk to you about child support. If you have lost your job, come to me and say, I need my decree modified because I can't pay the amount of child support that I was previously ordered to pay. Because what happens is, if you don't get the decree modified, the Attorney General is going to be knocking at your door at some point, and they're going to want you to pay the amount of child support that the judge ordered you to pay. And I know many of you have come to me and said, I've gone to the Attorney General. They won't help me. They won't do anything. And so that is a perfect time. Come to me. I'll file the modification papers, and then the Attorney General is going to listen to you. Okay? So, because here's the thing, if you don't get it modified, you will always be held to that same amount of child support. So you're not working. How are you going to pay $600, $700, $800 a month in child support? And then the next month, and then the next month. And all of that child support then that doesn't get paid accrues interest at the rate of 6%. So it's like you have a credit card and you're not paying on the balance. And that 6% gets accrued every month. So it's very important that you come in and we modify to get the child support changed.
And if you have any other questions about what we've talked about today, don't hesitate to reach out at the number at the bottom of the screen or message us on Facebook, nights or weekends, anytime.